Tapos nung naupo si General Marbil, nirelieve ka kasi siya ang pipili ng uupo doon sa unit na yan. That has been the tradition. Tama?
Yes, sir. Yes.
O kaya dapat hindi sumama ang loob mo dahil alam mo na yun ang tradition eh. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Other than that information, wala nang ibang link or connection.
No more, Your Honor.
Okay. Sige, thank you, DG. Now, I'd like to ask, direct my questions to a former colleague, Secretary Harry Roque. Alam ko, pagod ka na, Secretary, dahil you've been asked questions and some of those questions are repeatedly asked. No? Ako, for my sake and for my education and my enlightenment as well, I'd like to ask you questions that are very quick and very answerable only by yes or no. Is that okay?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, you said that you went to PAGCOR to accompany Ms. Cassandra Ong as a representative of Whirlwind Corporation.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. You were not there for Lucky South Pogo Company in any way, correct?
Yes, sir. I had no contacts at all with Lucky Star South.
Lucky South 99, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Whirlwind a Pogo company?
No, Mr. Chair.
Does Whirlwind have any transactions with PAGCOR?
No, Mr. Chair.
You also testified that with Whirlwind, that Whirlwind is a company that owns the land where Lucky South 99 Pogo is situated, correct?
They don't own the land. They lease the land and they own the buildings.
So they lease the
Being
land from
Cruz family.
Cruz family. Okay, thank you. So Whirlwind has a lease agreement with Lucky South, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes.
Now, does the lease agreement need PAGCOR's approval for validity?
I have no information, Your Honor, if that is required.
Now, is PAGCOR a party to the lease agreement?
No, Your Honor.
The lease agreement is a private contract between Whirlwind and Lucky South 99.
Yes, Your Honor.
To the exclusion of the Philippine government, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, does Whirlwind need to be represented in PAGCOR in connection with this private contract?
No, Your Honor.
Did Cassandra Ong discuss this lease agreement with PAGCOR Chairman Altenco?
Not in that meeting, Your Honor.
So there were other meetings.
I do not know, but I suppose that because of the regulatory powers of PAGCOR, they have had to divulge who is the actual owner of the land, who is the actual owner of the premises. I do not know if that is a requirement.
Okay. Did Cassandra Ong and Chairman Altenco discuss the arrears of Lucky South 99 that it owes to PAGCOR?
Yes, they did, Your Honor.
Did they also discuss the application of Lucky South 99 with PAGCOR?
Only to the extent that there are new guidelines to be issued for internet gambling, and in that meeting, they were given, in fact, a copy of the new guidelines.
And the new guidelines was not present when the time that Lucky South 99 had its first license.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, it had only been released in the same month of the meeting in the month of July. It was brand new, so to speak.
Okay. Now, days after that meeting in PAGCOR, did you call Attorney Fernandez of PAGCOR to follow up on the lease contract of Whirlwind and Lucky South?
Not days, months.
Months, I'm sorry, months.
It was February. February when I asked for what other lacking documents were required. So it was around February, if I'm not mistaken, Attorney Jeza. And it wasn't a call, it was just a text.
Okay.
I was about to give my time to the Honorable Abante kasi meron lang daw siyang tatanungin sa kapulisan. But since question yun na second round na pala siya, eh ako po hindi pa nakaka-first round. Pwede po bang mag-first round mo?
Okay. Oh, Congressman Akop, I thought Congressman Akop will not be asking question, but you are now recognized, Chairman Akop. Mamaya na tayo, General Lasso, ha? Okay.
Thank you. May I ask Secretary Roque, in the last hearing, you were required to submit to this committee the documentations confirming the ownership of the house in Pinewood subdivision, including the ownership structure of the corporation that owns the property. Have you submitted such?
I have a copy, a soft copy of the TCT
Ang
with
tanong ko
me.
po is, have you submitted such?
Hindi po, but I can submit po.
Thank you. Do you also, have you already submitted a copy of the lease contract between Yun Wan and your wife, Madam Myla Roque?
Yes, Your Honor.
Submitted already?
Submitted already, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have you already submitted the articles of incorporation and other relevant documents for PH2 Corporation, the corporation, as you have stated, that owns the house in Pinewood subdivision?
Your Honor, in the last meeting, Congressman Paduano said that it should be the SEC that should furnish this committee with those articles.
That's what the Honorable Paduano said. That's not what I said.
No, well, I haven't submitted, Your Honor, but I was on the assumption that the SEC will bring it here. But that will be no problem. I can submit it, Your Honor.
Thank you. You were also required to submit documentation confirming your formal entry of appearance in the three courts: Municipal Trial Court of Porac, Pampanga, the RTC 114 of Angeles City, and the Court of Appeals in the Whirlwind Corporation case. Has this been complied?
Mr. Chair, it has been complied.
It has been complied.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, may I know, Secretary Roque, when did Whirlwind Corporation get you as their lawyer?
Formally for the ejectment case in the month of August of 2023, Your Honor.
2023. So in other words, it's because of the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you know that in the past, before you were taken as counsel, your friend, Miss Catherine Cassandra Ong, was part of Whirlwind Corporation and later on was also part of Lucky South 99?
I knew, Your Honor, that she was part of Whirlwind, and after our meeting with PAGCOR, she became representative of Lucky South for PAGCOR as well.
So, kayo po ay isang abogado. Ano po yung conclusion nyo ron?
Ang conclusion ko po, kilala ko siya bilang empleyada talaga ng Whirlwind. Kasi, matagal ko na po.
Alam nyo rin po na empleyado rin siya ng Lucky South.
Hindi naman po, kasi nung nag-meeting po kami, dun lang siya naging representative ng Lucky South. At ang alam ko nga, hindi ka naman kinakailangan maging stockholder or officer ng licensee para maging representative, gaya po nung pinalitan niya na si Dennis Cunanan, na hindi naman po officer at hindi rin po stockholder ng Lucky South.
So you're not aware of the sublease agreements between Whirlwind Corporation and Lucky South 99, and there were two sublease agreements. Are you not aware of it?
Hindi po, nung nag-file po kami ng entry of appearance sa ejectment, kasi ang kaso po ng ejectment ay sa panig po ng mga cruise at sa panig ng Whirlwind. So ang nagkakasuhan po, cruise and Whirlwind, hindi naman po kasama sa kaso ang Lucky South. So yung kasong hinawakan ko lang po is kaso ng cruise at ng Whirlwind.
Yeah. Did you file a manifestation in court para po may quash yung warrant, search warrant, at saka para makuha yung mga documents dun po sa raid sa Lucky South 99?
Opo, may mga dokumento po ako doon na protektado po ng batas, yung mga bank documents po na ibinigay ko sa aking staff na nakitira doon sa Porac na naisa publiko po, at nakita ko nga po sa TikTok na nais sa publiko yung mga dokumentong yon. So nag-file po ako ng motion to quash para maibalik po yung mga dokumento.
Ang sabi po nyo, mayroon po kayong mga privileged documents na nandun sa saan po?
Doon po sa renade na lugar sa Porac.
Saan po specifically? Doon sa place ng Pogo Hub.
Doon po sa
Bakit?
pag-aari ng Whirlwind po.
So, parehas ang location ng Whirlwind at saka Lucky South 99. That is what you're telling us.
Sila po may-ari talaga ng buong premises ng Whirlwind na pinaupahan po nila sa Lucky South.
Hindi po totoo yun. Kasi ang may-ari ng lugar talaga ay yung mga Cruz.
Yung lupa po.
Close friend ni Roslyn.
Mr. Chairman, yung lupa po, pero yung buildings po,
Yeah, I
sila
know.
nagtayo po.
Technicality na lang yun, attorney. Pero bakit po kayo may kwarto doon?
Hindi po ako may kwarto doon.
Sino
yung naging empleyado ko po na nag-aaral po sa isang aviation school sa Clark.
Bakit po siya nandun? Empleyado po ninyo.
Ex-employee ko po. Dahil nag-aaral po siya sa aviation school.
Ex na pala.
Ex na po.
Attorney, ex.
Opo, ex.
Pero bakit nandun pa yung dokumento mo sa kanyang kwarto?
Well, unang-una po kasi, yung dokumento po has something to do with a travel to Ukraine. May gera po kasi sa Ukraine at naanyayahan ako ng gobyerno ng Ukraine na sumapi sa isang peace conference. At minabuti ko naman dahil may gera nga doon na dapat meron akong kasama. So nagkaroon po ng pagpapalit ng plano, ura-urada, sinabi ko doon sa dati kong empleyado, umatras yung dalawang kausap ko na dapat kasama ko, subukan natin ihabol ng papeles mo. At nahihabol naman po dahil ang pagpasok sa Ukraine via Poland at binigyan naman po kami ng expedited visa ng Poland at ang visa naman po sa Ukraine ay binigay ng Ukrainian government. So kaya po nandun yun, kinakailangan ko magbigay ng affidavit of support. At dahil nakitira po doon yung aking ex-employee, doon po nakahanap yung dokumentong yon.
Kailan po nawala na empleyado nyo yung tao po na yun?
Well, Marso of 2023, wala na po siya. Pero sa Malacanang po, kasama ko yan. So kasama ko po siya at isang buong team ng social media team hanggang ako po ay tumakbo para sa Senado. So that was November 2021 when I was deemed resigned. Pero yung grupo po nila nanatili sa akin hanggang eleksyon. And itong nakitira po sa Pogo ay hanggang March of 2023, pero meron pa po akong dalawang na-retain din hanggang month of August of 2023. Ngayon po, wala na akong kasama ngayon sa law office ko na nakasama ko dati.
Pwede ko bang isipin na kaya nandun siya sa Pogo Hub na yun dahil sa pakiusap ninyo?
Well, po pwede nyo pong maisip yun. Sa katunayan po, kasi nung August, akala po nila tapos na ang boxing. Kasi meron ng writ of execution po. Pero nung nag-file po kami sa RTC, the motion to recall the writ of execution, hindi naman namin inaasahan, nagtagumpay po. So hindi sila napaalis kaagad, bagamat dapat by August napaalis na sila. So parang tinanaw naman po nila na utang na loob na hanggang ngayon po, hindi pa sila napapaalis doon, no? Dahil nagpunta naman kami sa Court of Appeals, siguro po tumanaw rin ng utang na loob at pinagbigyan yung aking dating tao.
So, kayo po ang nakiusap?
Hindi po. Ang nag-usap po talaga ay yung empleyado ko at saka si Cassie Ong.
Paano sila nagkakilala?
Well, nagpulong po kami matapos po ang isang pagbibista dyan po sa...
Kayo po ang nagpakilala?
Ako po nagpakilala. Ako nagpakilala.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, may I go to Miss Ronaldine Baterna?
Yes,
Is she still around?
go ahead. Yeah, dito pa. Go ahead.
Yes. Kanina, Madam Ronaldine, sinabi mo na hindi mo masyadong kakilala si Cassandra Leong. Tama po ba yung pagkarinig ko?
Kilala ko po siya, Your Honor, and then nakikita ko rin po siya.
Gaano mo siya kakilala?
As ka-work po. Since doon din po siya nagtatrabaho.
Doon siya nagtatrabaho. Natatandaan mo ba na noong February 2 of 2021, may pinirmahan kang sublease agreement kay Madam Cassandra Ong?
Hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor, kasi sobrang dami ko na pong napirmahan na papel.
May I request the page to show the sublease contract in my possession to Madam Ronelyn Baterna so that she can determine whether the document is what she signed.
Okay, the COMSEC is hereby directed to bring the documents to Baterna. Go ahead, Congressman Chairman Acop.
Ay, gusto kong tanungin kasi yun ang susunod na tanong ko eh.
Sige,
Kasi parang siya nang may-ari ng South 99, Lucky South 99 eh. Madam Ronaldin, pirma po niyo ito?
Opo.
Natatandaan po ninyo na pinirmahan niyo itong sublease contract na ito.
Opo.
At ang nakalagay dito, it's this sublease agreement executed and entered into by and between Whirlwind Corporation as the sublessor and Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated as the sublessee. You were, in this document, kayo po ang nagre-represent sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. Tama po ba?
Sa totoo po niyan, Your Honor,
Sagutin mo lang po yung tanong ko, tama po ba yung sinabi ko? Eh kasi dito sa dokumento, itong dokumento, maski tanungin mo yung abogado mo, ay hindi maglalay o hindi magsisinungaling itong dokumento.
Opo, ako po yung nagpirma.
Oh, bakit? Bakit ikaw ang pumirma, Iha?
As per instruction po, kailangan ko pong pirmahan.
Kanino pong instruction?
Yung gaya nga po ng sinabi.
Kanino pong instruction? Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.